Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Max Payne 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now just type in Max Payne 3 and begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and you can now check the game reviews. Scroll down and you will see the Add to Cart button. Just click on this button and then you can click on View My Cart. Once you proceed towards the payment, you can choose your preferred method from the drop-down menu and proceed forward. Finally, enter the credentials of the payment method that you have chosen, and once your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library and you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Max Payne 3 game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.